Are you tired of manually managing contracts and wasting valuable time? Say goodbye to that hassle with Oneflow for Zapier. Our connector automates contract processes between all your favorite tools, so you can focus on what really matters. With over 5,000 app integrations, Oneflow for Zapier eliminates the need for any coding, allowing you to build custom workflows tailored to your specific needs. Automate the boring and repetitive tasks to streamline your processes in just a few clicks. Here's how it works. Find the app that you want to connect to Oneflow, build out your own custom workflows, or use our pre-made templates. With triggers and actions, you can create customized integrations to seamlessly transfer data and automate your workflows between Oneflow and the tools of your choice. Today, we're going to have a look at how you can automate your contract management between HiBob, Oneflow, and Slack. Once you've decided to go ahead with hiring a new employee and set up their profile on HiBob, you'll want to send them an employment agreement. Therefore, we want to create a Zap, which is triggered whenever a new employee is created in HiBob. Then, we'll add the actions that we want to follow. First, create a contract inside Oneflow. We'll add the new employee as the participant, as you want them to sign the contract. And finally, we'll add another action that will trigger an email to notify the hiring manager to review the contract before it gets sent to the employee. Now, let's see this in action. Once a new hire is added, a contract is created in Oneflow with them as the participant. An email is automatically sent to the hiring manager, asking them to review the contract and send it to the new employee. The data automatically transfers to the contract, just like magic. Now we can go ahead and send it. Don't miss out on any actions. Thanks to Oneflow for Zapier, you can also connect Slack to the workflow and get notified when the contract is signed. To make sure the hiring team gets notified when the contract is sent, we want to create a Zap which is triggered whenever the contract status is changed in Oneflow. In this particular case, when a contract is signed. Then, we'll add an action to make sure the contract details are fetched, and another one to send a message to the Slack channel. Thanks to an automated, frictionless flow, you'll get notified the second the participant signs. With Oneflow for Zapier, you easily secure all of the contract automation capabilities of Oneflow to your tool of choice, and you get more done in less time. And this is just one of the many flows that you can build. Experience contract magic with more apps than ever before. It's only your imagination that sets the limits.